What's up guys, welcome back. Let's go to this Roblox game. So as you can see, I already done this Star Wars and Avatar. As you can see, you did not see my last video. So let's now go to the next part. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Look at the bridge. Do you think I would prefer to jump? Free. Stop. Free. It reached 6-7. It reached 6-7.
Wow! So many polo.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. You know that I love chicken nuggets. Guys,
My sister is literally so annoying. If you had a sister, please please comment down below. Because I know one of my viewers is literally has a sister.
guys.
Because
Because my brother is always boogie me. That's why.
Look. Tignan nyo na po mga pare. Pasensya na po na naga-English ako. Naga-Tagalog pala ako. Pasensya na po guys. Sorry guys.
Ano ba yan?
It has a beautiful sunrise.
Wow, sunlight.
Alright, let's go
Alright.
check.
Let's go check.
Taturuan.
Wow.
1, 2.
3, 4, 5. Wow.
Picnic. Okay. Okay, bet. 1, 2, 3. Wee.
Yun lang. 1, 2, 3. Yun lang, babe. Guys, nagbugbog niya ako, guys.
That's not true.
It's true.
If somebody unsubscribe, I would literally kick.
Check out me.
Bro, I already done what?
House
3.
done. Wow. They are the 10. It's a song by PKXD.
Perfect.
Guys, I wanna add from you guys.
Perfect. I have 0 coins.
Perfect, I have 0 kids.
Let's go. Hurry up. Hurry up. Hey. There, another green screen. Let's go work with the red ones after we need to go to... So as you can see on the title already, gagawin po natin tong movie setup. Yung una natin natapos ay 2. Unang tinapos. So sorry, ito yung una. Si Actor Luke, pati si Actor Vader. Yung pangalawa, ito si Actor Chew. Ito naman si Actor Jake, Actor Tyler. Ito naman, Microphone Josh, Microphone Brian. Tara na. Ilan na naipon ko? 5,000. Yun na. Perfect. Ayun o. May sasakyan pa o. Astig. Ito yung sasakyan. Tignan nyo. Tignan yung bato talaga. Gusto nyo makita yung sasakyan na to? Tara, pakita ko sa inyo mamaya. Sayang, walang Robux eh. Because I'm cheap. 3, 2, 1. Paying 3,000. Tapos, kawawa yung sasakyan. Mahuhulog. Pero pag ako nandito, hindi kawawa. Aray ko. Tira nyo, may McLaren, may Lambo, at may Bumblebee.
Sweet little
Bumblebee.
I know what you meant to see.
Nice big camera. Shining bright like a diamond. Shining bright like a diamond. Shining bright like a diamond. Are you ready for the actors? Lights, camera, action. Wala, paano po nakakit doon, oh?
Galing
What
mo.
the?
Ano naman to?
Magantay ako ng 12.
Ano ginagawa-gawa ko? Wala yan.
Anong number ba namang? Obviously 12. Oh, something, baby, pull me closer at the backseat of your own. Pasensya na po. Tignan niyo po to. May lights, camera, action. Kung sino po magsali sa akin, taas lang ng kamay.
Wow.
Sige po, tara. Tara na. Tara na po naman ba gusto nyo ako mag-rap. Tara na, si Sly Tapalya. Nagagawa dito ng mga movie dito sa Roblox na mundo. Pimpa, pum 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 pam pim. Let's go na po. Camera Marcus, cameraman. So sorry, that was cringe. Okay guys, so I'm gonna finish this a little. So let's go upgrade my guys. Actor. Go back there. Yan. Tapos, lang po kasi kaklase ko, nag-invite pa sa akin eh.
Kasi, anong tingin mo dyan?
Pasensya na po. Kapatid ko kasi eh.
Anong manmad mo dyan?
12K ka na, please. Nice. Yun. Pagkatapos po nito, babalik ako sa part 3. Or kung kaya ko, hulaan nyo to. Kadali lang po nito. Sorry, what?
Andrew, dun ka na. Andrew, dun. I had to help you. Damn. Oh. Never mind. Look at Auntie Jess, please. Look at Auntie Jess's face. Look at Auntie Jess. Okay, hi guys. Ako'y sakit. Agay.
Yan na, upgrade na po sila lahat.
Guys,
Pasensya na po na hindi ako nagsasalita.
guys, bumi si Ate Jess. Siya guys, wala na.
Yan na.
Hindi ko na ito
Sorry. Yan na, kasi baka siguro mabibilis na to. You know, 8,000. Pasensya na.
It's time to play Roblox.
Yun, no? Number na, 12 kanina, 14.
Ano ba to? Sama. Okay, slap tower 9.
Ayun, no? Like full crew.
Ayun.
Sige, upgrade muna kita sa ngayon. Sana siya.
Ayan na. Joke lang guys, oh.
Yun.
Hindi po talaga ako mag-troll. Gabi naman po kayo. My friend, kailangan ka lang
9,000 sakto.
So, city pat. Of course, nagkalaro sila with no reason without me. Uy, naghahang ako. Ayun.
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1, boog.
Yun. Tapos yan na!
Growing up.
Sino to? Hulaan nyo.
Ikaw.
Kung kilala nyo. Pag hindi nyo talaga to kilala, aywan na lang.
Ko kayo.
Aywan na lang. Balik ako ML Mag-ML ako mamaya pag hindi nyo to kilala. Kadali lang dyan. Nakasabi ng spider dyan. May kulang lang dyan na pangalan. Walang
Lamboy Baby. Tama?
Habibi.
Ano daw? Halulot. Guys, halulot.
Yan.
ako,
Sino
halulot.
to? Kadali lang dito.
Ikaw.
Actor Otto.
Ano daw? Actor? Ano?
Otto. 17, 15.
Uto ka?
I'm not here with some pillow. She's a pretty ass.
Guys, sagot ba?
I just wanna chill once I'm on the road. Wanna turn the money into interest in my stove. She a trap queen in the bando.
Kasi,
17:30. I'm not here with some pillow. She's a pretty ass. Give me the dough. I just wanna chill, wanna stop the road. Wanna turn the money into interest in my soul. She a trap queen in the bando. Sino gusto maligo dito na nakatapak sa tubig? Tira mo, nakatapak po sa tubig, par. Tira nyo.
Bang naman kasi ang babaw. Ang babaw kasi niya.
Kalito mo.
Kaya hindi ka makaano.
Tira mo.
Lalim na yan.
Babaw pa rin, par.
What? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh!
Tingnan nyo, hulaan nyo na to.
Ikaw. Di ba tama ako?
Hindi kaya,
Ano
par.
to, game?
Upgrade ko muna to
Game,
kasi
tataas
kadali
tayo
lang
ba?
dito.
Di, tataas ba tayo? Tataas ba tayo,
Yan.
di? Kasi kung nakita ko clear yun eh. Tapos, ay, wulhap! Wulhap pala siya, guys. Wulhap pala
Yan na.
siya, guys. Shelter para hindi tayo maglags. Sino may,
3, 2, 1.
sino may owner na tong, ano nga tong?
Ano ba? Yan na.
Pinagtago.
Hulaan nyo na.
Ikaw. Walaan nyo na kung sino yan, guys. Yung nag-vlog, walaan nyo na lang. Gwapo ga. Ano yun na?
Sige na po.
Singer, dancer, vlogger, MML player.
Bang! Grabe ka na silaw, oh.
Grabe ka
Shining bright like an ilaw. Shining bright like an ilaw.
Ilaw. Sa ilaw ng bulan. Labas
to
yun na.
myself.
Ang kalo ko. Madami naman mo. Huwag nyo na. Pipigilan pa. Sige na naman.
Palm tree, double up with the palm tree. Palm tree.
Uwi mo.
17:38. Baka Moana ba to? Moana yata to kasi and no one leaves, so here I'll stay. And all the people to guide me. Get out of the people tomorrow, Mary.
Moana.
Di pa sure. Kasi
Si Moana kasi yan. Si Moana yung laro.
Ay, hindi Moana.
Moana. Guys, ano yan? Guys, ang baho
3, 2,
ng breath
1.
niya.
Perfect! 3 puno, tapos 2 green screen, tapos 2 ilaw.
Agoy, sakit.
Kaya na po, pagkatapos mo nito, bukas po ulit or sa sunod na araw.
O sa sunod na araw. Okay, guys.
Isa na po.
Pasensya na po.
Yan.
Please.
Yan.
Yung blue. Wow, tao.
Pasensya na po kasi kapatid ko ang likod.
Camera, action.
Wow. Ato daman ni katipitas peso. Ano yung 1 plus 1?
Lights,
Guys, i-guess niya kung ano yung
Pagkatapos po nito nasa isla, bukas po natin ituloy itong yung boat na to.
anong isla?
Ay,
Pagmulat ng
3.
mata, pagising sa isla, namulat ng kamay. Wow, puno.
lights, camera, action.
Boys, may fake news may mga sisters niyo.
Wala yan. Ay, meron.
Ano,
Satisfying.
satisfying. Ano. Yan, bawal ka kasi mag-iwan.
Lights, camera, action. Lights, camera, action.
Fountain, if you see this,
Camera,
even though, give me Robux. Fountain is the best. Fountain is the best. Fountain is the best. Fountain is the best. Fountain, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.
lights, camera,
And you have to subscribe first into our channel.
camera, action. Lights, camera, action.
Bro, what is it? Is it Tom Cruise?
No. It's you. It's you. That's why I'm taking over. Rar. About. Wow, dahil ano dyan, ang bodyguards. May mga bodyguards dyan. May bodyguards ka pala. Ang galing mo. Wow, tama.
Lights, camera, action.
Oh, that's so mahal. Yep.
So mahal. That's so expensive. That's so mahal kita.
See the lights and the shards of the sea.
Pero hindi ka
camera,
man makasakay.
Away, away.
Awe, oh no. Ito.
Action. Lights, camera, action.
Ayan.
Oh, I get it.
Si Moana pala yan.
Kilala ko yan.
Moana! Baho ng ano mo, te?
One, let's do parkour. Wait lang. Let's go downstairs. 3, 2, 1. Tinan nyo. I'm the best at parkour. 1, 2, 3. Bang, bang. 1, 2, 3. Bang, bang. Ito na, matatalon pa ako. Piki!
Oy.
Magamunwak ako. She was more like a beauty queen from a movie scene. I said the one, but what do you mean? I am the one who dance in the floor, in the round. She says I am the one
She's just
who dance.
who dance. Alam mo kung bakit?
Sige na po, dito na po ang tapusan ng ating progress. 12%. Tignan nyo po. Yan. As you can see.
Camera.
Wow,
Yan. Spider-Man na movie po tong una. Tapos yung pangalawa ay kilala na si Jack Sparrow.
Action.
Pag hindi nyo kilala, ay wag na lang. Sige po. Ayun na po. Pagkatapusan dito. As always, make sure to like and subscribe.
to my channel.
And Kingsley out!
Peace.